Welcome back. Well, Acadiana, fasten your seatbelts. Weather whiplash on the way. Milder temperatures as we round out the week and head toward the weekend. Might see 70 degrees on Saturday, but we'll probably see freezing temperatures by Monday, and they may go below freezing and stay that way for several days into next week. It's going to be a deep freeze. Then the question is, will we see winter weather? The answer is possibly, and getting closer to yes. So we'll see how it fleshes out. Let's take a look at the big picture, though, as we watch the Arctic Express, a very efficient delivery from the Arctic Circle into the United States as we head into this weekend. And then that cold air slowly oozes south and dominates 2/3 of the country all the way down through the Gulf Coast as we head into next week. And it stays cold for a while. We're in the blue for quite a while. The darker shades of blue are in the 30s and 20s. And then you get into the teens once you see the pink and sub-zero temperatures as you get into those lighter shades of pink. And as we look at the big picture, we can kind of see that Arctic air mass right up here, the pressure gradient, high pressure building in. We'll watch that drop southward, but then we'll be watching a storm system. Now get this, it's all the way out here in the Pacific, somewhere between Russia and Alaska. This is the storm system and energy that is going to deliver us a potential winter storm as we go toward the Gulf Coast Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Right now we're thinking Tuesday, give or take 12 to 24 hours either side, but mainly Tuesday, I think, into Wednesday. Weak high pressure still dominating, and it allowed for a little sunshine earlier today, but then the high clouds came in. We saw a ring around the sun earlier today. If you were up early, a ring around the moon, but those clouds have thickened, and then we're going to see a little precip developing with a weak area of low pressure that develops in the western Gulf of Mexico through tomorrow. It's going to shoot some light, sprinkly rains across our area, maybe a few more showers into the afternoon, early evening, then it quiets down. Thursday, we got sunshine on the way. Temperatures near normal, lower 60s. Enjoy it, because we won't see much sun after Thursday going into Friday, the weekend, maybe a little sun on Sunday, and then next week looks to be cloudy and very cold. So let's get into the long-range model and look at the Euro model. We have a front coming in late Friday evening into Saturday. No severe weather, just showers, maybe a rumble of thunder as we get into the wee morning hours of Saturday morning. Then that system pushes off to the east. Then a mostly sunny day for Sunday, but look at the high Sunday, mid-40s after high Saturday, near 70, and then we'll be dropping into the 30s as we get into Monday, and we might not get much above the freezing mark depending on what happens thereafter. Storm system could develop. Now, this is the European model. The GFS and the Euro were in sync earlier today, but the GFS has dropped off a little bit, but this is a wintry mix, and it looks like the atmospheric profiles are going to support sleet, freezing rain, may see some snowflakes mixed in, but the chance of snow will be from Senla on northward. And then the question is, how much are we going to see and how wet will this system be? And the bottom line is it could be fairly significant, and then maybe more rain and maybe a little winter precip as we head into Friday. We'll have to wait and see, but this is looking like full tilt winter for us. And you don't normally see the models going for up to a foot of snow across portions of Texas and Louisiana. This is just one model run. This is going to change, so don't anchor on this particular forecast, but there is the possibility of snow and for the stronger possibility of icing conditions. Here's the latest GFS not showing as much. Let's get over to the icing threat, and the European model is showing a crippling ice storm for portions of the Gulf Coast, including Acadiana. We'll see if that happens, but if this were to flesh out, we would have a serious shutdown of Acadiana. Now, the Euro, the GFS not going for much ice, so we'll see how it plays out, but nonetheless, very cold temperatures and maybe a glaze and some winter precipitation for Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Upper 40s tonight will favor upper 50s for tomorrow. So here's the 10-day outlook. We have a nice mild one for Thursday. Showers, your rain chance 40% tomorrow, 80% Friday night, ending early Saturday, then windy and much colder for Sunday, and then an extended period of bitter cold. We might be below freezing for 2 or 3 days. That's always bad news for Acadiana and your pipes, and certainly it kills all the tropical plants. And then that Tuesday, we could see a wintry mix, and we're thinking maybe freezing rain or sleet, maybe mixed with a little snow as well. The rain chance right now, or chance of precipitation, only at about 40%, but that could go up with time. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.